Number 7, the manager at a grocery store wants to understand whether their employees are feeling stressed at work. The store has 50 total employees, but the manager only has time and money to collect data from 25 people. So A, for this particular situation, which would be the easiest way to collect data? An experiment, a survey, or an observational study? Explain why you made the choice you did. So this goes back to the very beginning of this unit, lesson 1. So I have up here the notes from lesson 1. And one of the things you'll see is for a survey, it says that it's a set of questions given to people to seek their responses. In other words, he wants to know how they feel. You want to know how someone feels. You ask them a question and you record their response. Okay. The manager wants to know whether the employees are feeling stressed at work. So the easiest way to do that is to just ask 25 random people. Okay. So for A, which would be the easiest way to collect data? The easiest way would be to collect data would be a survey. So the survey would be easiest. Explain why you made the choice. So why is it a survey? Because a survey is the easiest way to figure out how someone is feeling. Okay, you want to know if they're feeling stressed? Ask them. All right. So that's part A. B, describe a good method that the manager could use to select the 25 people for the study. Why is your proposed method better than collecting information from 25 people working in a particular department or location in the store? So remember, when we're selecting participants for a study, whether it's a survey, an experimental study, or an observation, we want it to be as random as possible. The more random it is, the less likely it'll be biased, and the more likely it would be representative of the entire population. In this case, the population would be the employees at the grocery store. Okay, so if we really wanted to select 25 people at random, the easiest thing we could do is to put the 25 names in a hat, mix them up, and select 25 at random. We actually put all 50 employees, put all 50 names in a hat, and select 25 at random. So put 50 names in a hat, mix them up, select 25 names at random. Okay. So that answers the first part of the question. The second part, why is your proposed method better than collecting information from 25 people working in a particular department or location in the store? Why is your proposed method better than collecting information from 25 people working in a particular department in a location in the store? Well, we talked about it. The more random it is, the less likely, the less bias the results will yield. If I only talk to people from one single department, is that likely going to be representative of the entire store as a whole? Probably not. Are the results likely to be biased? Yes. So why is my method better than this method? Because asking people only from one department could lead to biased results. Okay. Again, the more random the method is, the less likely bias is involved. Okay, and that's it for number 7.